Hello, welcome to SketchUp.US, a new tutorial. Let's build a bellow for a camera. As you probably remember, I do have made a template on how I build a camera, a vintage film camera. I would say it will be interesting to show at least how the bellow was built. So let's quickly build a box, and again this could be used as an example for how we are using different commands. Let's close this one, so I'll basically just use the shortcut keys, and if you click on space, you have the selection tools. Let's select one of those lines, and we're gonna divide it in let's say 6 points. Okay, so as you can see, I just click on the right click. I have the option to divide it, and after that we click on L for line, and again when I have the line, he's gonna give me the points, and I will just draw some of the lines here. So this it's giving me the beginning of the bellows, basically. If we click another line like that, and let's build this like this, E from erase, and we can delete the parts which we don't need, and we don't need those ones too. Okay, so this is a section of the bellow. If I will select everything, again space, select everything, and I will click on S from scale, I can make a mirror like this. Click on Control if you are on Mac, or on the Option key if you are on Mac, it's Control Option key. If you are on Windows, should be Control, and that is gonna create you a copy. But the other thing which you can do, you can just Control C, Control V, and basically you have another copy here. And again with S from scale, you click on the other side. Take a look to the red scale over there. Let's say it's -1, and it's gonna create you an exact copy when you are at -1. You can just type -1 if you want, or if you want to use the tool, you can use the tool. Okay, space again, escape to exit from command, spacebar, select, and after that M for move, and you can bring this back here. Okay, again those are the commands from shortcuts. Again, escape, don't select anything, and with E I can erase the lines which I do not need. So basically I have a bellow and mirror it on the other side. Now if I want to push it up, I will use P, which is the push-pull tool. Okay, let's take the shadows out, and we'll push those up one by one. And now notice that this one is okay with correct face, but the other one are darker, which means I need to reverse the faces. So again, spacebar, select the parts which I want to reverse the faces, right click and reverse faces. And now I do have the correct part for the bellows. Now if I want to push it up a little bit, I will just go on this plane, or I can do front view, same thing. Select the tops, and again M from move, and look, I will just move it up on the blue axis, not on the side, not in front or on the red axis, it's on the blue axis, and you look to the color, it's on the blue axis, that color which shows the translation. Okay, so now we have the bellow built, at least on the sides. I just need to move also the top. So we'll select this one. Click Option on the Mac and Control on Windows, and again M to moving up, and I move up the bellow as well. We go on the bottom side and we realize that on the bottom the faces are actually missing. That's the reason I had reverse faces. So we click on L to build lines. I'll build the line and we can escape, and that will be the other line. And now space to select, take the line which we need, click on Control or Option on Mac, you select the other one, and after that with M you'll be able to move those back. So here is how you build a bellow. If you want to build also a lens take place, let's build another line. You can take it like a diagonal and click on C for a circle. I took the middle, and after that E to erase the parts which I don't need, and space again, select the area which you don't need and hit delete. Inside we have different other planes, we can delete those, and now I have an empty bellow which I can use it for a camera. Now if you are a fan for dynamic moves and things like that, and you have the Pro version, you can open the components option and component attributes, and we can select our drawing, our 3D bellow. We can make a component, let's call it bellow. I can change the axis, just actually to put them in the middle. I can choose it in the middle of the circle, and I will keep it like that. And we're gonna click create, make sure the replace section with the component will be right, and notice that the Z axis actually got changed. It's actually the green, so if I want to scale the bellow, I need to scale it on the green axis. Okay, so I do have the bellow, and I can add a scale. Let's say a name first, which we're gonna say bellow, camera bellow to be specific, and after that I can add a distortion, which is gonna be on length on Y. Notice the colors here. If it's on X, it's on red. If it's on Z, it's on blue, but I need it on green axis, so I'll make a translation on Y. And right now it's 163 centimeter. Let's make that as 100, and as you can see, it's modifying. So let's say 300, and you see our bellow actually it's getting smaller. So the bellow it's to the minimum, and I say to the maximum between 20 and 30 centimeters, which is usually the regular size for a vintage camera, a daguerreotype camera. So let's do that when we'll do a click. So we're gonna add a function. So on the click, we're gonna have movement. So we can do an animation. You can go on the function and select the animation function here. So let's say animate, and you can insert the function, or you can just draw animate directly. You need to take the attributes. So the first attribute will be the length on Y, which we're gonna have it from, let's say 50 to, let's say 400, which is centimeters, of course. So now let's have a quick check on what we did. Here it is. Our bellow can be used to move. If we want to put it on a camera, you can use it to have the bellow move, open and close, adjust the focal length, and so on. So I hope you like this tutorial. Again, space to came out from your commands. To interact again, we can come here, and here it is, your animation for a camera below. And you can use this if you want to make some nice vintage cameras or whatever objects that will have folding options. So, okay, hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, YouTube channel on SketchUp.US, or visit our website, which is the same, www.SketchUp.US. Thank you very much. Enjoy it.